Good Thursday evening, everyone. Roger Hill of Wuthering Heights. This weather video is driven by 802cars.com. It represents 802 Toyota Twin City Subaru and 802 Honda, all located off of exit 7 on Interstate 89. Big picture, sort of shades of different Neapolitan ice cream, you might say. We have, of course, rain, and we're getting into the sleet and mix that's just now getting into Vermont. This is going to be the case, a very elongated storm, and it's just going to kind of continue to roll through. It's almost like a giant training echo of this particular storm, and basically probably the heaviest wave of snow is yet to move into Vermont, and it's really just starting to get into the region now. This is the rate of snowfall. This is per hour, so 0.2, 0.3 of an inch per hour. This is the European model on the left. We have the NAM model on the right. We can compare notes. But this is our heavier precipitation. Now, this is valid a little earlier, so we're kind of backcasting right now. This is valid at 7 o'clock earlier this evening, 8 o'clock, and 9 o'clock, which is coming up. So you can see that the heaviest snowfall is beginning to push in and kind of come in, and both the NAM is kind of picking up on this. This is valid at just coming in on 9 o'clock. We get into 10 o'clock. The snowfall rates pick up closer to 1 inch per hour, and you can see 1.1 inches, for example, at the Barre Montpelier area. And this is where the heaviest jackpot snows are going to be in this particular area here. Now, the NAM is also a little bit further north. I think the freezing rain line is actually further off to the south, as we just saw. So that's a little bit off, so the depiction may be just a little bit shifted north. We'll have to wait and see. The European has it about right. And you can see that we're up to 1.2 inches per hour here. This is 04Z, so that's 11 o'clock this evening. That would be midnight, 1.5, almost 1.4 rather. You can see the heavier snows working right through here. A little lighter snows up in the northern and western areas of Vermont. Same thing with the NAM. But by the time we get into 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, you can see the snowfall rates are coming down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That would be tomorrow morning, down to about a half an inch. And latest indications are that I would discount the NAM because I think things are pretty much on their way out at this point. And this will continue into the last part of the day with a little minor flare-up right at the very end during the late part of the day tomorrow, Friday, and then continuing into Friday evening as just flurries and scattering out finally. Okay, this is the HRRR model, and this is valid at, that would be 8 o'clock, this would be 9 o'clock, and we're starting to see a little bit of a pickup, a higher intensity, and it continues to move on through. This is valid at about 11 o'clock. That's midnight, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Finally, 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, and we're still seeing this freezing rain area, which is going to start to accrue quite a bit as we're seeing that strip right here. It is mixing with sleet, but most of the models do depict that. And eventually, this is about 10 o'clock tomorrow, Friday morning. And then finally, we're at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Things are fairly light at this point, and then pushing away. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights. Thanks for watching.